Looking for a bumper? We're Move Bumpers and we're based in central Montana. Our team custom cuts every product to order on our laser. All of our bumpers are made to order so we can support a wide variety of makes, models, and years. Our bumpers come in a variety of series so you can get the look and protection you want. You can add off-road upgrades, winch plate, and light holes to your custom bumper. All bumper kits are cut and bent for your specific truck or SUV. We only sell direct to you. This means we can charge you less with no markup from dealers. So you get a heavy-duty US bumper kit, designed the way you want it at an affordable price. Our Bolt series is a modular bolt-together bumper designed specifically for your truck or SUV that is welded in-house. Once bumper kits have been cut and bent, they are boxed up and shipped directly to you. Welding Up our bumper makes for a great weekend project. We offer how-to instructions online. Have a question or need help picking out your bumper kit? Give our customer service team a call or customize your bumper kit at movebumpers.com now.